back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Jackie. I hope you hit that subscribe button to be notified whenever I upload a video, which is every Friday. I weekly vlog and upload those on Tuesday, so come back on those days if you want to see a new lifestyle or beauty or fashion video from me. And I also have a fashion blog called fashionxfairytale.com if you want to check that out. I post Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays about my life and other bits and bobs. Also, you can follow me on all my social medias. I have Twitter and I have Instagram, so those are always linked down below in the description. Now that I've introduced myself, we can start today's video. Since Halloween is coming up very shortly, I thought I would share a Halloween costume video. I've been doing Halloween videos since I started my channel, I think in 2015. So every year I've done some sort of Halloween costume lookbook or outfit ideas. So today I'm going to do the 2018 version. The twist this year is I'm just going to shop my wardrobe. I'm going to not buy anything. I'm just going to use the clothes out of my closet. So everything behind me, everything on this side, I'm going to search through the whole thing. I'm going to come up with costume ideas from the clothes that I already have. So that's going to be a challenge, but I thought I would do it. I do have a few ideas in my head, so I'm going to see if they'll plan out. I wanted to buy a Halloween costume this year because I haven't bought one in ages, and there's so many available now that I live in LA. But the problem was the cheapest one I found was like $50, and I wasn't going to spend $50 on a Halloween costume, which I'm going to wear once. So I decided to just come up with an outfit idea for Halloween with clothes I already own, because I already have the clothes in my closet, and why not get creative and challenge myself. Probably gonna regret this, but let's see how it turns out. Here are my clothes, so let's get started. So I'm going to look through what I have. I kind of want to use this jacket and this jacket for a look, so we can separate those. And then I have a few cardigans, summer dresses at the back. So if I wanted to go a summer theme, or we can go in here. We can use my red beret. I think I know what we can do with this, if I can find it. This red shirt. This is like the outfit idea I came up with. And let's see if it can pan out. Then I have my denim skirt. Can you kind of guess what I'm doing by this? Well, by the title and thumbnail, you probably already know what costumes I've come up with. So what else can that look be? These three items are going to create a costume. So there's one outfit idea. Ooh, I have this scarf. I just came up with an idea. Remember in my accessories haul I said this looks like a Harry Potter scarf? Maybe we could do Harry Potter costume. Okay, we got this piece. Then we need a white button-up shirt, and I don't have a white button-up shirt. But I do have a few white t-shirts. White t-shirt. This needs a steam or an iron, but white t-shirt, it kind of has long sleeves, so we have that. I can put this over it, so we have this. We can put this at the front. Knee-high socks, skirt, top, and some black boots. We have costume number 2. So let's put this over here on this side. I have 2 outfits. Let's see if we can go for a third. We can do something with this. I have a black skirt that is feathery, so let's have this, but for now. I have this black furry feathery skirt, so that can go good together. I don't know what this would be. I think I was Black Swan for 3 years in a row, but what can we do with this? A black bird? Maybe I'll be a Black Swan again, so just costume number 3. I have this brand new leather skirt, so maybe we can use that. And it's like a high-low. It kind of looks like a costume anyways. So what can we do with this? Maybe that black moto jacket earlier. What is this, like, no, not Kim Possible, like a badass super villain hero Catwoman kind of thing. So there, and then we can just add maybe like a black tank top inside. Go for that all black look. I have 2 all black looks, so I guess 3. Wait, this is number 4. Outfit costume idea number 4. One last outfit I think I came up with. I wanted to do a Disney princess, but modernized like I did last year. I did Belle modernized last year, so let's try that again except a different princess. Maybe Snow White, maybe Sleeping Beauty. So white skirt, light blue top, white skirt, and maybe those socks again, those knee-high socks, and then some cute frilly sandals. So that is outfit number 5. So I have my chair filled with outfits. This is everything. So we are going to try each of these on and see if I actually made a costume out of things in my wardrobe. So let's try all these on. How that caught on her dress. By the way, I'm doing that classic YouTube thing where I have a dressy top on and I have some Halloween pajamas on the bottom. So just wanted to point that out. So first costume is going to take a little bit of DIY, just a hat. As you can tell, I want to be Super Mario. So my cousin reminded me of the Super Mario game and I searched it on eBay, the actual costume. And as I said, it was very expensive, so I thought I would DIY it. So I kind of had a red hat, a red top, and a denim skirt. But I think it would be better if you had a denim overall skirt or something like that, or have like suspenders maybe. I don't have those, so it's kind of a difficult one. If I had like denim straps, I probably could make the costume like that. But as I said, I wanted it to be a challenge. I didn't want to buy anything for my costumes. I just wanted to use the pieces in my collection. So I am going to cut out an M and just tape it onto here with paper, because that's all I have. If I had like a felt, I would do it that way if I'm actually gonna be this for Halloween, but I'm actually not going to be this. These are just my outfit ideas that I came up with to make into costumes. So let's DIY this hat. What I'm going to use is my notepad piece of paper, so you can see it has colors, but on the back it is plain. I just have a pen and some scissors, and I'm just going to cut it out. And I actually even have a red pen, but I'm just going to draw an M and then tape it onto the hat. We're just going to do it right here. I'm just going to get the black pen and draw an M. I'm not really good at DIYs, so this might turn out terrible. It already looks terrible. You didn't even see that, but I'm glad, because that is a terrible M. I'm not very good at freehand drawing stuff. If I had a printer, I would print out the actual logo, but for now we're just gonna cut that screwed up M out. Wait, isn't it like a circle and then an M? Oh my goodness, I may have screwed this up. This is why we don't DIY on my channel. If my red would work. Why doesn't... Aha, my red does work. I forgot I have a collection of gel pens. So, do I have a red? I do, actually. So, yay, it works. Ta-da! There we have it. A little M. I know it's not the best in the world. Don't sue me. I'm not very good at crafting. But there, we're just going to tape this on to the hat. Here is my red beret. I got it last year at H&M. And where is the front? This is the back. So the front, right, we're going to tape it right there. in fairness, that kind of looks okay. Like, I know my M is a little dodgy, but doesn't that look okay? I don't have clear tape. I only have masking tape, so wish me luck. This is going to work. I know this isn't a professional DIY channel. This is why I'm not a DIY channel, because I don't have the skills to do that. And I applaud those who have that skill, because I don't. So let's just tape it right there. This is just temporary. So if you really want to do it like the right way and want to make this costume, I suggest printing out the M Mario logo and then actually like maybe sewing it on, or like doing it with felt, because mine is just the quick broke style way. So there is what the hat looks like, and honestly I'm happy with the results of it. It might be a little iffy, but hey, there we go. This is the costume. I'm trying to see if I can get my whole outfit in, but this is my Super Mario costume. I just added some white sneakers. Can you even see that? So yeah, that is how the hat turned out. I puffed it up a bit more, and then just maybe add a red lip. If I had white gloves, add some white gloves. I don't have any. But as I said, an overall dress or overall like skirt would look even better with this. Or you can just DIY one and add some like denim straps coming down. But this is my attempt at the Super Mario costume. Quick and simple. I came up with this last minute as I was creating this video. So let's see. Next we have the Harry Potter outfit, costume, whatever this is called. So I based it off of this scarf. So I know it's supposed to have like a white button down long sleeve top, but I don't have one. So I have this ruffly sleeve white top instead, and then a black skater skirt, some gray knee-high socks with some black what are these, heeled ankle boots, and just this scarf. So of course you can get whatever house color you want. This is just a scarf that I bought for a fall outfit, but I did say it reminded me of like the Gryffindor colors. So yeah, this is like the outfit. Lightning bolt onto the forehead and wear some glasses. I don't have those. I wanted to be a challenge, remember? So whatever I had in my closet, this is all I had. So this is the Harry Potter Gryffindor outfit. So there. Now here is my black swan outfit because of this very feathery skirt. But as I suggested, you can be a cat or a rabbit, whatever animal you choose. So yeah, it's a little short on me in the back. Here is the outfit. It's nice and swishy. Again, some little accessories would make the outfit, but I just chose these black wedges. You could choose ballet flats, and that's just my costume. Honestly, I feel like someone from the Vampire Diaries. This is so cool. So this can be like a villain costume, or you can turn it into a vampire, but it's one of those like sexy villain kind of costumes for me. Just a suede motor jacket, fake leather skirt, and then just a cami underneath. I just went with the same accessories as the last outfit, because honestly I forgot to take it off. And then some over the knee boots. I didn't tie them up all the way, so they're slouching down on me. But yeah, this is the fourth outfit, and you can channel the inner vampire in you, or super villain, whatever you want to be. This is the kind of costume for that. Here is the last costume idea, which is a modern day Alice in Wonderland. So I got inspiration from last year, and I think this is super cute, and it's just a really simple outfit. And you have the heels with the over the knee socks, but I just bunched them up at the bottom because I wanted white frilly socks that would look better. But yeah, this is the outfit. Finally, I tied my hair back. I just added a bow, and I didn't tuck in the back of my top. This is the outfit, and yeah, It's not as cute as the other ones, but hey, that's all I had in my closet. Those were my Halloween outfit ideas for 2018. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a fun video to come up with. I'm not a professional, don't have a professional setup. The sun is currently going down, so I'm running out of lighting, so I better hurry this up. The lesson I learned from this video though is you can totally shop your closet and come up with outfit ideas without even have to spend money on it. I just gave you outfit ideas to wear because a few of those actually could be worn out not as Halloween costumes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween, and if you're gonna try any of these looks or shop your own closet, because I totally recommend it. I had so much fun filming this video, coming up with different outfits. Also come back Wednesday because that is Halloween, and that is when I do my Halloween get ready with me. I love doing those. You can see my actual outfit and my makeup that I'm gonna do for the day and all that. I don't know what I'm gonna do for Halloween, but I'm just gonna get dressed up anyways and figure out what to do here in LA. So that is it for today's video. I really enjoyed making it. Hope you enjoyed watching it, and happy Halloween. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.